In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Spotify for creators. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device. Using Chrome is helpful here because it's widely supported and tends to work smoothly with account creation pages. Once Chrome is open, go to creators.spotify.com. Make sure the web address is entered correctly so you land on the official Spotify for Creators website. When the page loads, take a moment to confirm that you're on the correct site. This is especially important anytime you're creating an account online, since you want to be sure you're entering your information in the right place. After that, look for the sign up option on the page and select it to begin the account creation process. Next, you'll be asked to connect your primary email address and create a secure password. Use an email address that you check regularly, since this will likely be the main way Spotify contacts you about your account. It's also a good idea to use an email you plan to keep long term, especially if this creator account will be important for managing your content in the future. For the password, choose something secure and unique. A strong password usually includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Try not to reuse a password from another account. This helps protect your account and reduces the risk of someone gaining access if another service is ever compromised. If you have trouble remembering passwords, using a trusted password manager can make things much easier while still keeping your login secure. As you enter your details, double check everything before moving forward. Even a small typo in your email address could cause issues later, especially if you need to verify your account or reset your password. Taking a few extra seconds now can save time later. Once your primary email and password are entered, you're well on your way to creating your Spotify for Creators account. From there, you can continue through any on-screen prompts the platform provides. That's all for this part of the process. If you follow these steps carefully in Chrome, select Sign Up, and enter your primary email along with a secure password, you should be able to begin setting up your Spotify for Creators account without any trouble.